When you mention Egypt to friends back home in the UK or Europe, you usually get two reactions. Wow, the driving, and is it actually safe for women? If you are watching this, you are likely planning a trip to Sharm El Sheikh, but you have that nagging question in the back of your mind. Is it safe to walk around alone? Will I be hustled at the markets? Can I wear my favorite summer dress? In this video, I'm giving you the honest truth about safety for female travelers based on real experiences here in Sharm El Sheikh. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to pack, how to handle the markets, and the one phrase that will be your superpower here. First, we need to understand what Sharm El Sheikh is. It's a purpose-built tourist city. It's very different from Cairo or Alexandria. Think of Sharm as a high-security visitor bubble. There is a literal security fence surrounding the city and security checkpoints at every entrance and exit. For European visitors, seeing police with scanners at hotel entrances can feel a bit intense at first, but here, it's a sign of very well-secured place. The Egyptian government treats Sharm as their crown jewel. They know your safety is the key to their economy. This means there is a massive police presence, both in uniform and plain clothes, constantly monitoring the tourist areas. Honestly, I often feel safer walking through Naama Bay at midnight than I do in my own city. Let's address the elephant in the room, being hustled. In Sharm El Sheikh, you aren't likely to encounter safety issue. However, you will encounter verbally persistence. If you walk through the old market or Naama Bay, vendors will try every trick in the book to get you into their shop. They will ask where are you from, tell you your eyes are beautiful, or try to guess your name. For a solo female traveler, this can feel overwhelming. Here's your pro tip. Don't be British polite where you feel forced to keep talking. A firm, smiling la shukran, which means no, thank you, and keeping your pace is the gold standard. The secret key: place your right hand over your heart when you say it. This is a local gesture of sincerity and respect. It signals that you aren't just a lost tourist, but someone who understands the culture. Usually, they will say welcome and let you go. How do you get around safely? You will see taxis everywhere with the official city logo. The rule here is simple. Always agree on the price before you get in. It's a good idea to ask your hotel reception for the fair rate to your destination first. However, for solo ladies, I highly recommend using InDrive app. It has become the go-to for expats and savvy tourists. The price is fixed. The driver is tracking via GPS, and you can share your ride status with a friend. It removes the stress of negotiation and ensures you are on the most direct route. If you are on a budget, the local microbuses are a great option. It's usually no more than 10 Egyptian pounds, even for the longest trips across town. A quick heads up: as a solo female walking near the main roads, you might notice many cars slowing down or flashing their lights to offer you a ride. While this constant offering can be a bit tiring, don't worry. A simple wave of the hand or just ignoring them is enough. They will just move on to the next person. Here's a pro safety tip. You can easily identify a car's function by the color of its license plate. Private cars are blue, touristic transport vehicles are beige, and official taxis are orange. Knowing this helps you to stay in control of who you are stopping. Inside your resort, bikinis, shorts and sundresses are completely fine. However, when you leave the resort to visit the old market or a local pharmacy, my advice is to go for the modest chic. You definitely don't need a headscarf, but choosing outfits that aren't too relieving can save you a lot of unwanted attention. Why? It's not about strict rules, it's about your own comfort. If you walk through a local area in a tiny crop top, you are naturally going to attract more stares. But if you wear something like a long linen dress or a jumpsuit, you blend in perfectly. You will find that people treat you with more respect, and those annoying comments or stares drop by about 90%. Now, knowing the culture is one thing, but being prepared physically is another. I've put together the ultimate female traveler checklist for Sharm. If you are packing your suitcase right now, you might want to grab a pen and write it down. A light scarf This is your best friend. It protects you from the sun during the day, keeps you warm from the desert breeze at night, and is perfect for covering your shoulders if you visit a mosque or local area. Health and beauty. The save money section. Pack your sunscreen before you fly. Premium brands are much more expensive in resort shops. Also bring aloe vera for after sun care and some hand sanitizer for the markets. Safe tech and gadgets. A portable power bank is a must. You will need it for GPS and in-drive. Remember, Egypt uses European 2-pin plugs, so UK travelers will need an adapter. I also recommend a waterproof foam pouch for snorkeling and AirTag for your bag for total peace of mind. Footwear. Bring 3 types of shoes. Comfortable sandals for walking, flip-flops for the pool, and water shoes for the rocky coral beaches. Add 1 pair of nice flats for evening dinners at Soho Square. And you are all set. The safety first bag. Switch your open tour for a secure crossbody bag. Keep it in front of your body with the zipper closed in crowded markets. It's the smartest way to keep your phone and cash organized while you enjoy the sights. I've put the full detailed packing list in the description below, so you can check it off while you pack. One quick tip: don't forget the water shoes. The coral is beautiful, but it's very sharp. Let's talk about your cultural power key. You don't need to be fluent, but using these 5 words will completely change how people interact with you. Min fadlak, please. Use this to start any request. It opens door with kindness. Shokran, thank you. The universal key to appreciation. Be calm, how much? Use this in the market. It shows you are ready to talk business and know the local way. La, no. Short, powerful and clear. Pair it with a smile and shokran. La, shokran, for the most effective way to say no, thank you. Tamam, okay, understood. Use this to confirm a price or plan. It sounds much more confident than a simple okay. Mar salama, goodbye. The perfect respectful way to end any interaction and move on. If you really want to impress the locals, when you say no, thank you, put your right hand over your heart. In Egyptian culture, this shows the no is coming from the heart and is final, but respectful. It works like a charm. Sharm is incredibly safe, and it's very unlikely you will ever need help. However, being a savvy traveler means having total peace of mind. Here's your just-in-case toolkit. The big 3 numbers. Just for your contacts, save these numbers. 122 for police, 123 for ambulance, and 126 for the tourist police. It's just like having travel insurance. You have it, so you can relax and forget about it. The tourist police. They are stationed everywhere for your convenience. If you ever have a simple question or just need direction, look for the officers in white uniforms in Naama Bay or the Old Market. They are there to ensure your trip goes smoothly. Medical care. For total confidence, it's good to know that facilities like Sharm El Sheikh International Hospital are right there if you ever need a quick checkup. The power of community. One last tip. Egyptian culture is incredibly protective of visitors, especially women. If you ever feel uncomfortable in a public place, don't hesitate to speak up loudly. Just calling for attention or asking for help will bring the local community to your side instantly. People here will not tolerate anyone bothering a guest, so you are never truly alone. Is Sharm El Sheikh safe for female travelers? The answer is strong yes. Sharm El Sheikh is one of the most welcoming places for women in the Middle East. If it's your first time, I recommend spending an evening at Soho Square. It's incredibly polished, family-friendly, and perfect for solo travelers who want a high-end, safe atmosphere. Come with an open mind. The people here are some of the most hospitable in the world. They want you to love their home as much as they do. If you've been to Sharm as a woman, tell me in the comments about your experience to help our community of travelers.